Welcome to this tutorial on setting up a three-way conference call using your PolyEdge phone. Your Poly phone allows up to 3 parties, including yourself, to participate in a single call. This is referred to as a three-way conference call. To create a three-way conference call with up to 2 other parties, engage the second party by either calling them or answering their call. To contact the third party for the conference call, use the function keys and press More, then Conference. This will automatically place the active call on hold and you will hear a dial tone. Dial the number of the third party you wish to add to the call. Once the third party answers the call, using the function keys, press Conference. All 3 parties are now joined in the conference call. To end the conference call, hang up your phone or select End Call.